Hello people, we are going to check IRCC's new portal for Vista Visa. You can also apply for study permit through this. First you need to type IRCC's new portal for Vista Visa in Google Chrome. You'll be able to see one option called New IRCC Portal Immigration Refugees. Once you click on that, if you're lucky enough, you'll get directed to a page which will say get an IRCC portal account, and it will ask for your email address twice, the second time to confirm your email address, and then you'll receive an invitation code. If you're not getting the first option to go to the IRCC portal account, and if you're getting a different search result, then you can select the second option of Visit Canada, which will be a lengthier process, where you have to click on I want to apply for Vista Visa, and you will see multiple reasons why you are applying for Vista Visa. So I am selecting to unite with a family member. Then you click on get instructions, and then you can click on yes, I want to unite with a family member, or how to apply for Vista Visa through the IRCC portal. Then you will be redirected to a page where it will say need an IRCC portal account. So you need to click on sign up and apply. Then you need to click on apply for a Vista Visa for myself. Then you need to click on do you already have an application process the question, so you can click on no. Then you can click on get an IRCC portal account, where you will reach the email address which you need to enter twice. Then you will receive the invitation code which you need to copy paste somewhere else, or you can just copy it. Now you need to click on continue to IRCC portal sign up page, and where you need to paste the invitation code which you got in the previous page, then your email address, and 2 times you need to enter a new password. It should be 8 characters with at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 special character, and 1 numeric digit. And you need to just follow up the questions which ask for your surname, which is your last name. Say your name is Madhav Kumar. Kumar will be the surname, and given name will be Madhav. And your telephone number, you can enter your telephone number, be it your Canadian number or Indian number, or whichever one you want. You click on sign up, and then you will get a verification code on your phone. You need to enter that verification code. It is the OTP which you receive on your phone. And you can click on confirm. Then you need to type your email address and then your password, and then click on sign in. And that's it, guys. You will be able to redirect to the Vista Visa page, the new portal for applying for Vista Visa by IRCC, where things will be quite easier. Rather than filling up the form, you can directly fill up the answers and you can apply for Vista Visa. And nowadays the process is a little faster through the new portal. Thank you so much, and we will discuss regarding Vista Visa, how to apply for Vista Visa through the new portal. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.